I changed my opinion about 3 times while comparing these two. Seriously, I went into this thinking I'd have a clear winner after a couple of generations. Instead, I kept bouncing back and forth. One video would make me think, alright, this is the one I'd pay for. Then the next prompt would completely change my mind. That's when I realized this comparison isn't really about finding the best AI. It's about figuring out which one fits the way you create content. Think about your own workflow for a second. You're probably not generating one video and calling it a day. You're changing prompts, trying different ideas, fixing mistakes, generating another version, and repeating the process until something finally clicks. That's real life. So instead of obsessing over one perfect demo clip, I started paying attention to something else. Which tool made me want to keep creating instead of making me fight the software? Supercool AI felt very straightforward. I'd type an idea, get a result, make a few adjustments, and move on. It felt like a tool built for creators who publish consistently. If you're making YouTube shorts, client ads, product videos, or social media content every week, that kind of workflow matters. The faster you finish one project, the faster you can start the next one. Hailuo AI gave me a different experience. It made me experiment more. I tweak the prompt, change the style, regenerate a scene, and sometimes I get a result that genuinely surprised me. Other times, I'd realize I'd spent 15 or 20 extra minutes chasing a slightly better version. That's not a bad thing if you're working on something important, but if you got 3 client deadlines waiting, those extra minutes start adding up. Halfway through, I stopped comparing the videos and started thinking about something else. If I uploaded either one to YouTube tomorrow, would my audience care which AI generated it? Honestly, I don't think so. They'd care about whether the opening grabbed their attention, whether the story kept moving, and whether the video was worth finishing. That's a good reminder that AI is just a tool. It can help you create faster, but it still can't replace a good idea. So if you're waiting for me to say one tool destroys the other, I can't honestly do that. If your priority is moving quickly and keeping your workflow simple, I can see why Supercool AI makes sense. If you enjoy experimenting and don't mind spending more time refining your generations, Hailuo AI has a lot to offer. In the end, the winner isn't decided by the software, it's decided by the kind of creator you are. Now, I want to ask you something. If you had to keep only one subscription for the next year, which would you choose? Supercool AI or Hailuo AI? Comment below and tell me why. I'm genuinely interested to see which tool creators are choosing and what makes the biggest difference in your workflow.